Why Josefina Village, San Carlos City, Pangasinan is the perfect investment for you. If you're looking for a secure, comfortable, and strategic real estate investment, Josefina Village is the perfect place to call home or grow your wealth. Here's why: prime location and accessibility. Located in Barangay Coliling, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, this community is near major roads, schools, hospitals, and business hubs, making daily life convenient and hassle-free. Luxury yet affordable living, modern and elegant homes. Designed for comfort and style without breaking the bank. Perfect for OFWs, starting families, or investors looking for high-value properties. Safe and secure community. Gated subdivision with 24/7 security ensures peace of mind for you and your family. Great investment potential. The value of properties in San Carlos City is continuously increasing. Whether for rental income or future resale, you'll enjoy excellent returns on investment. Flexible payment terms. Affordable down payment and financing options make it easy to own a home, even if you're abroad. Finding the perfect property is about more than four corners. It's about finding a place where your dreams can grow. Let's make that dream into a reality today. Real estate is one of the safest and most rewarding investments you can make. This property has great potential for value appreciation and cash flow. Let's take the next step towards securing your financial future. If you're looking for a peaceful escape from the crowded city, this property is perfect for you. Surrounded by lush greenery, mature trees surrounded in the village, and a variety of plants, it offers a fresh and natural ambience. The air is clean, free from pollution, and the environment is serene, perfect for relaxation and a healthier lifestyle. This property is a wonderful place to start or raise a family. It offers a safe, peaceful environment with plenty of space for kids to play and grow. The surroundings are family-friendly with fresh air, nature, and a welcoming community, perfect for creating lasting memories with your loved ones. Josefina's Village checks all the boxes for your needs and more. Property like this don't stay on the market for long. Let's secure it before someone else does. Opportunities like this don't come often. If you're serious about making this property yours, let's put in an offer before it's too late. Don't miss this opportunity. Let's schedule a site visit or discuss your investment options. For inquiries, you may call 09365 053437 and schedule a site visit.